So I already heard these two cameras. One is Insta 360 1R, another is Insta 360 Go 2. This is the Insta 360 Go 2. Very tiny camera. Insta 360 1R comes with this 4K camera coupled with this 360 camera mode. So recently another camera has been added, that is DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Let's unbox it. So this is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, which I have recently ordered. So straight away this is the camera. Action 5 Pro written on this. Oh, the battery is not inside the camera, it has to be inserted then. So let's see what else is there inside the box. So we get a charging cable, and this is a mounting bracket, I think, and the battery should also be inside this because the action camera do not have battery inside it. This is probably the battery. Ooh. 1950 mAh. Okay. Let's power it on. Oh, displays on both sides. That's great. That's great. English. Swipe to unlock screen. English. February 10th 2026. Time is now the time is 9:42. 9:42. Oh, this is magnetic. So the middle thing is magnetic. And there is a lock mechanism on either side that has to be discovered properly. So this is a new camera, so I am new to it. So the locking mechanism is to be discovered. And I also have to check whether these mounts are compatible with my already existent mounts which I use with my Insta360. So this is the introductory video for our new camera, new action camera, that is the DJI Action 5 Pro. And in later videos I shall show you the quality of video captured by this camera. Okay.